Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Buffer polisher, 1600W 7-inch, 6-inch rotary buffer polisher Waxer, 7 variable speed 3500 RPM, detachable handle for car, boat sanding, polishing, waxing. High performance, 110V, 1600W motor, be more efficient and durable. 7 variable speeds, 6/7-inch discs, 3500 RPM for different materials and applications. 3 use methods, ergonomical design, can use directly or with side handles. Compact design, body size is 15.7 x 3.5 x 3.1 and weighs only 457 lbs. 7 kinds of pads, wool, orange, black for grinding, yellow, red for polishing, green, blue for restoring the surface. Thanks for watching and subscribe.